Welcome to Abberly Crest Apartments. We invite you to discover all the luxury that awaits inside our premium apartment community. Ideally located and boasting everything you need for a comfortable and convenient life. Community amenities include 3 clubhouses with spaces to visit with friends or family. Not 1 but 2 pools, 3 separate access controlled fitness centers with flex spaces for conditioning or yoga, a dog park for your pups, 2 fun-filled playgrounds, business centers, conference rooms, and so much more. We offer 1, 2, and 3 bedroom apartments, and some include attached garages or elevator access. Inside your new apartment home, relish in the fine details and high-end fixtures, such as spacious, open-concept layouts, sprawling 9 to 15-foot ceilings with triple crown moldings, expansive windows, fully equipped kitchens, and outside spaces. All of this plus an award-winning on-site management and service team, 24 hours a day emergency maintenance, and the HHHunt How You Live lifestyle. Start living the life you deserve and contact us today for a tour of Abberly Crest Apartments in Lexington Park, Maryland at AbberlyCrestLiving.com. Abberly Crest is part of HHHunt Apartment Living. Visit all of our communities at HHHuntApartmentLiving.com.